In verdant fields where time seemed to slow, lived a wise and humble tortoise named Tortellini. His shell was weathered, his pace languid, yet within him a wisdom that was ageless. One day, a swift hare, boasting of speed, dismissed Tortellini, his slowness derided. "My race against you," he taunted, "will prove me the best. For swiftness is the mark of the truly blessed." Tortellini accepted, though he felt no need to boast. For he knew that in life, there was more than speed to toast. The day of the race arrived, the crowd gathered close. Their eyes on the start, their hearts filled with close-knit hopes. The hare exploded from the starting line, leaving Tortellini seemingly far behind. Through the meadows, the hare strutted and pranced, his laughter echoing with every step, uncontained. But as the sun dipped low, and shadows lengthened long, the hare grew weary, his pride a heavy burden strong. "Where is that tortoise?" he cried, his voice filled with scorn. For he couldn't bear the thought he might be beaten, forlorn. In the distance, Tortellini shuffled along, his mind not on the race, but on a far-off song. He stopped to rest, to drink from a sparkling spring, to chat with a bird, or simply just to sing. When the hare found Tortellini, he was shocked and stunned. For the tortoise was near the finish line, with time for a run. The hare, in his haste, had wasted the day, while Tortellini had found beauty along the way. The crowd cheered for Tortellini, their voices ringing loud, for they saw in him a lesson that was proudly loud. Swiftness may win the race, but wisdom chases after grace. And in slow pace, we find the heart's true embrace. Thus, Tortellini, the humble, unassuming, slow, in the race of life, outstripped the swift, and so. The moral of the story, we must never ignore, is that wisdom and grace are often seen before